through the silent air. I search for the echoes of your voice still lingering there. The warmth you left behind, sharp as a blade, carved through my soul where your memory stayed. We walked together down that snowy lane, wrapped in a curtain of white, escaping the mundane. You laughed day young and a day a night so carefree, but your words still echo, haunting every part of me. Time passed and now I finally see your smile was the only truth I'd ever need. Like melting snow, the promises we made are gone, leaving this winter colder as I stumble alone. The silver wind cuts deep into my chest. I call for you, but silence gives no rest. This endless frozen night won't let me be. I chase your shadow in a dream I can't flee. Words we shared beneath the falling snow, frozen memories tighten their unyielding hold. This cold night tests me with every breath, but life without you is a fate worse than death. I turn my back to the globe, the city lies tracing your image on frosted glass tonight. The cold against my fingertips feels like your touch. The distance between us is just too much. Each cry is drowned by the howling snow. Still your name's the only one my heart will know. I throw my plea to a sky that won't hear. The silver wind shatters pieces of the past. A voice that can't reach you, fading too fast. The warmth you gave, now only a trace still clings to my soul. In every empty space, words we shared beneath the falling snow, frozen memories tighten their unyielding hold. This cold night tests me with every breath, but life without you is a fate worse than death. To the place where promises are buried in the snow, I follow your footprints, hoping they'll show a path back to you under this frozen sky. But the answers I seek are swept away by time. Kimi ga ita, fuyuda ke ga shinjuta. These words keep me bound, unable to move. I cry into the blizzard, standing alone. Modoritai, kimi ga subete datta. Words we shared beneath the falling snow, frozen memories tighten their unyielding hold. This cold night tests me with every breath, but life without you is a fate worse than life without you holds no meaning at all. This frozen night sky reminds me of your call. I gather the shattered pieces of love buried deep, holding the pain. I'll keep it as I wait. I want to be by your side so desperately, but until this winter fades, I'll keep your memory living through the frost. Though it tears me apart, even as the snow buries it all, I'll guard my heart. Life without you holds no meaning at all. Yet as each dawn breaks, I still hear your voice call, believing I'll find you I keep walking alone until the journey ends and I'm flying away.